In this video, I'm going to show you how I use a free tool offered by Google. It's Google Ads. Find your campaign keywords with Keyword Planner. And what I did was, in the field, I typed in keyword search tool, and you browse a little bit, and then you'll come across this link, which led me to an old account. Well, I use it for this. I just don't pay to place ads anymore right now. But I'm going to show you how I used this tool to help me put together a new blog post speaking about chronic knee pain, but chronic pain in general. And this is all my own content. And I have the inbound links, the outbound links. I have a couple of pictures. And I share my experience having an alternative treatment done to my knees to help me, which helped minimize my chronic knee pain. So I want this blog post to get indexed into the search engines over time, organically. That's why this looks simple, but when you make it look simple, the back end work is harder. So I signed in, and I'm going to click here just so you see what I did. They allow you to enter 10 keywords, and I went back and forth a few times, and it got my juices flowing, and I was like, oh, let me add these keywords into my content, into my header, into my blog post title. It all matters when you want your websites or blog posts to get indexed into the search engines organically. So that's what I did, and then I tapped on Get Results. And when you look over here, you could get an idea of how many average monthly searches these keywords are pulling, competition for the words, and or phrases, keyword phrases. And you can see like chronic pain, 100,000, between 10,000 and 100,000 searches a month. Another one, pain relief, same thing. Knee pain, now that's my problem. 100,000 to 1 million searches a month. That's key. Okay, and then they show me the rest. And then you could do more research. Then they give you more related keyword ideas. And you can include those too. Some of these are in the millions. Well, that's what you want. Pain management. I just titled it Pain Management. That's in the millions. Pain management near me is in the millions. But this is the title of this blog post. Then this is the header. The headers are very important. Well, these are keywords. Non-surgical back. I did the research using the keyword tool. Knee, neck, shoulder, hip, carpal tunnel, neuropathy, and plantar fasciitis, pain relief. Then throughout the content, I use those keywords. This is all my own wording. I'm promoting a doctor that I'm using his alternative treatments to help rid knee pain, which has worked for me. I went from, I forgot to add that image, and that's a very important image. I went from an 8 to 2. So I'll add that image when I'm finished. And then I shared the letter I wrote to him. It was just a creative idea to add to storebuy.shop. This is my website. I can do whatever I want with it as long as it's rated PG. Then I made sure in the back end of my WordPress, header footer code manager, pain management. This is what eventually will be seen in the search engine. What do I mean by that? When people look up storebuy.shop, that's the description. I can change that anytime I want, but I use, in the back end, the Header Footer Code Manager plugin. And the description of this website for now is shop around a busy schedule to get more done in half the time, and so on. Here's another example. Natural Clean Energy Drink. That's another blog post on that website. Here's the description. That's what I use this plugin for. You're coding it. Because I might create a lot more pages talking about clean energy drinks. I won't have to add that again. I just have to tell the plugin, add that description to that specific post. You'll learn. It gets easier and easier. Here's one more example. MyIncomeJob.com is a platform I use to write about how I earn money, and the subjects range from working gig apps, building websites, and blogging, ad income. And that's my other website/blog. I thought you would find this useful. This gives you an upper edge. This looks like a very basic page. There was a lot of work involved in this page. And I decided to go with the tags of pain management, pain relief. I'm getting better. My header is, it will attract the search engine robots to get indexed into the search engines, especially when you're using keywords and phrases, pain management near me. I'm going to tweak it a little more. Sciatica, up to 1 million views a month. That's the average monthly search for those keywords, those phrases. Lower back pain, 100,000 to 1 million average monthly searches. You want those keywords, in your content. You would just place your keywords here and start doing your research. That's half the battle. So, good luck with building your websites and your blogs and blogging. You could use the keyword search even for hashtags on your YouTube videos. Hashtag keyword. It's a smart, free tool. Learn how to use it while it's still for free. See you in the next video clip. Visit myincomejob.com. Visit storebuy.shop.